It's like a power unlock. You're the cast net sniper apex of the block. It's a hoodie, it's a shield, it's a whole new game. Pull the strings tight now. You're
Big
changing the
packages arrive at the Sniper Shack here, and it's full of some of the coolest clothes that I have ever seen in my life. So I took the Sniper logo, which is this kind of Japanese style hat with the circle and the sniper on it, and I made that into a camouflage design for the sleeves, for the hood, and this shirt came out so cool. I absolutely love this one. It's a really cool camouflage. All these hoodies, I went with an oversized hood. So see how big that is? That way when you turn sideways, nobody knows who you are, right? You could kind of put it over and you kind of look down and walk around and it's hard to recognize you. Except for you're going to be easily identified with the sniper, the big giant logo on the side. So I love this hoodie so much. It's so warm, really heavy duty fabric. You can see inside of there. It is some warm polyester. But look how beautiful that is. These hoodies, guys, are built from the ground up, from the first stitch. I designed the shape of them. I designed the pattern of them. I designed everything. I gave the factory exactly what I wanted to have built for you guys. Next design here. Honestly, this is my wife's favorite. It's crazy cool. And I wanted to create kind of a spooky sort of pattern design. And we went with a dark blue. There's the back of it. And again, oversized hood. You gotta have the oversized hood. And I also went with longer sleeves than a standard hoodie. So these sleeves will come down when you're wearing it. They'll come down to about there. It'll cover half of your hand. And if you want to pull it up, it kind of gives the look that I wanted. But this camel pattern is unreal. Check that out. Look at this. It's the first time I've ever seen anybody do an aqua camouflage. And if you look close, you'll see little fishermen throwing nets in there. Yeah, look at that. There's little guys in there casting nets. We went with an oversized logo on the back. And same oversized logo on the front. So this hoodie, nice and warm. It'll be awesome for you guys to stay warm during the September, October, Halloween season. This is going to be one of the most prime hoodies out there. The next camouflage here, I just had to get this. I thought it was so beautiful. Honestly, it looks really good. But it also looks like something out of a video game. And it is the green roped camo pattern. Again, oversized hood. I just liked it, like nautical, this thick rope pattern on top of the green camo. So you guys, this is a good option for just a comfy wear on the house hoodie or go out hoodie. So they do fit a little bit tighter than a normal saggy. You know, some hoodies are like really big and kind of droopy. These are not. This is like a heavy shirt, almost like a super warm, form-fitting shirt. So don't expect a really baggy look. This is an extra large in this hoodie style. Okay, next up, well, all of your orders are going to come in the bags here. It says Castnet Fishing Apparel. The Castnet Sniper channel is going into a clothing line. I don't know if it's going to be, I think it's an awesome idea, but it's for you guys. Let's show the windbreaker. Now this is a limited quantity item where I actually got, I think I got 30 of them. And so, but when I received it and I was looking at it, I'm like, this is going to be one of the most useful items here for actual fishing use. It'll block the wind, and let's zip it up here, and it'll keep you warm even when it's raining, and it's super lightweight. It kind of gives me a little bit of vibes of like a raincoat. You got mirroring patterns on both sides of the hood. We got the giant oversized vertical logo on the front of this one, and then the big logo on the back. I'm telling you, this one is really, really cool. In this one we got pockets on the front for your keys and stuff. So whoever gets these, oh, I've been wearing all of my clothing. So this one has the tag on it, but all of these other hoodies, I took one of each and I took the tags off, and I've been wearing it all week. I have been like non-stop using the new Castnet Sniper lineup of clothing, and there's the tag. Castnet Sniper apparel, it says. Find more Castnet apparel at castnetsniper.com. You guys visit the website if you want to purchase one of these. I knocked the shipping cost down to like bare bones shipping, just so I can let you guys buy as much of it as you want. All right, and then the final article of clothing. I was just outside shooting BB guns with the kiddos, and I was wearing this shirt. That's the inside. This is a SPF 50 sun shirt. And I got this thing, I think, on the website priced at like $37, which is like almost nothing for this sun shirt. But I want you guys to be able to wear a really cool SPF fishing shirt when you're cast net fishing. So I went with the shredded rope pattern right here over the desert camo, and it's cool. It's got oversized sleeves, so the sleeves, instead of being like tight on your arms, are like a little bit more baggy, so that the wind will kind of like dry it out quicker. It'll flop around. I don't know what it is, but when the sun shirt is like tight on your body, it doesn't dry. But if it's allowed to like kind of in the wind, it dries it off quicker. And now the hood on this is not oversized. If I did an oversized hoodie on a sun shirt, it would blow right off your head. So this has got to be tight. But most of the time I wear the old black sniper hat, and so I don't use the hood. The hood is mostly for show on these to make it look super cool. But again, this is a heck of a shirt, you guys, for 38 bucks. So guys, stay tuned. If you want to buy, support the channel and wear your Castnet Sniper shirts and hoodies around, visit on the website. It's priced really reasonably, and I'm the Castnet Sniper. And if you want to be a Castnet Sniper too, you just got to buy the hoodie. It's all it takes. Or buy one of my nets, and you will be a absolute beast out there on the water. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hoodies fall